Hello and welcome to your channel. For today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Valorant error code VAN152. Before we get started, please don't forget to like and subscribe and click the notification bell for you to be updated to our latest tutorial videos. Without further ado, let's now begin. So before we go ahead and show you how to fix this, what I'm going to do, I'm just going to show you a bit more information about this error. So if I come across to the Valorant support site and click onto useful error codes down here, and what I'm going to do is just select the VAN152 error from the list. So as you can see, the 152 array is actually a HWID band. Now what this is actually a hardware band which lasts approximately 4 months. As you can see, however, what you can do, you can submit a ticket as it says here at the bottom of the page to try and get this unbanned. So what you want to do is scroll all the way down to the bottom and you want to click the red submitter ticket bottom down here. Now once you come across to here, what you want to do first is make sure you're signed into your account, which is up here in the top right hand corner. So if you've not done that, make sure go ahead and sign in first of all. And once you've gone ahead and logged in, what you're going to want to do first is choose your request type. You want to click onto the drop down box and select technical issues. Install patch tag all crashes. So what it's going to do is refresh the page, and what you want to do is just fill out the rest of the forms. So what you're going to want to do in the subject box is just put the VAN error code 152, and then what you want to do is scroll down in the next drop down box down here. You want to select seeing a message with an error code where it says where does this issue occur. What you want to do is click on start and click on need login sign in option, and then you just want to put when this started to happen in the next box. So the next box is going to ask what operating system that you're using, so Windows or Mac, and then in the next drop down box, what you want to do again is choose the option available where it says what error are you seeing. All you want to do is put again VAN152, and then finally in the description you want to just put something like this: hey, please can you unban my hardware, my HWID, your hardware ID is. Then you want to go ahead and put your hardware ID into here. So once that's done, just go down to the bottom, click the red submit button down here, and that's going to send that through to the support team at Riot Games. Takes approximately 2 to 3 days for them to look into your request. So what you want to do is just keep an eye on the email that is linked to your account, and it will do. They'll get back to you and help you resolve that issue. If you found this video helpful, leave a thumbs up, share to your friends, and hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon in the next video.